Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Now I bring you just 1 minute, but you can get yourself 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one. Come on over to ldlcall.com and book your perfect time slot for you, and let's have that chat. But first, here is your quote for the day. If you compete with others, you become bitter. If you compete with yourself, you become better. You really are only in competition with yourself out there in this crazy world. Comparing yourself to others is not only unhealthy for you, but can leave you feeling like you just aren't good enough. Compete with yourself, and you can only go against yourself, your standards, and of course your efforts. You are your only competition out there, and the only thing you should be trying to do is become the better version of yourself.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.